Do you sometimes struggle with the Dutch words dit, dat, DEZE and die? They look very similar to the English this, that, these and those, but they are used in a slightly different way. How we use them in Dutch? That's what this video is about. Let's get started. The words dit and dat are used with het words. For example, het meisje, het boek, het huis. Dit is used with things that are close to us. Dit meisje, dit boek. Dat is used with things that are far away from us. Dat meisje, dat boek. For example, dit boek is heel interessant. Dat boek is heel saai. Dit kind is blij. Dat kind is verdrietig. Next we have the words DEZE and die. DEZE and die are used with de words. For example, de jongen, de hond. So we can say deze jongen when the boy is close to us, or die jongen when the boy is a bit further away. Deze hond when the dog is near us, or die hond when the dog is a bit further away. We also use deze and die with all plural nouns. It does not matter if it's a het word or a de word. For example, deze jongens zijn stout. Die jongens zijn braaf. Deze meisjes zijn klein. Die meisjes zijn groot. We can also use these words without a noun. For example, what is dit? What is this? For something that is close to us. Or what is dat? What is that? For something that is a bit further away. In this case, we only use the words dit and dat, even when we are referring to something that is a de word. So we never say what is die or what is deze. We can also use the words dit and dat followed by the verb zijn. For example, dit is mijn papa. Dit zijn mijn ouders. Dat is mijn broer. In this case, we also only use the words dit and dat and never deze or die, even when we are talking about more than one thing. Now it's time for a short quiz. Do you know the right answer? Number 1. Telefoon is nieuw. Deze telefoon is nieuw. Zijn mijn ouders. Dit zijn mijn ouders. Wat is? Wat is dat? And the last question. Boek is interessant. Dit boek is interessant. Now you know the difference between dit, dat, deze and die in Dutch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Dutch lessons. I will see you in the next video. Dag!